These right here are the Push Actives. They're one of the latest offerings from Skullcandy, and they are workout style headphones where you can wrap them around your ear because they have these hooks. These things are perfect if you're going to go for a run, a workout, or just anything that might require you to lay down or stand up quite frequently. And they're also very budget. They come in only at $100 Canadian or about $80 US, making them pretty affordable. But are they any good? The packaging for these earphones is very clean. When you open the box, there's a pull-out tray with the instruction manual on top. Since I'm in Canada, one side is in English and the other in French. This manual also has a quick start guide for setting up the earphones. Under the manual, the tray contains two compartments, one for the case containing the earphones and the other for the accessories. Opening the accessories box, we can see a user guide, a fancy USB cord, and two replacement earbuds, one large and one small. The medium ones are already installed on the earphones. Opening the earphones case, the first thing I noticed was the very plasticky feel. This material feels like it could be damaged fairly quickly. On the back, there's an orange silicone-like material covering the USB-C charging port. The first thing I noticed when opening the front was the power indicator right below the opening. Before you can use the earbuds, you'll need to remove this white tape covering the metal connectors. The earphones won't work unless this is removed. Then, you put the earbuds back in the case, and you'll see a red indicator LED, meaning that the earphones are ready and in pairing mode. Now we're in the Skullcandy app, so I'm going to click Add New Device. Oh, it's right here. They already pushed up. And click Connect. And we're going to see if we can connect. And they actually connected. Okay, so now that we have our Push Actives connected to the Skullcandy app, let's look at some of the features. So first of all, we can see both our batteries are at 100% in both earphones. You can turn on voice controls, which is when you say, "Hey Skullcandy," and the control you want to do, and it pops this up. For some reason, this doesn't seem to work. Because if I go, "Hey Skullcandy, Spotify," "Hey Skullcandy, Spotify," nothing. Then you also have your equalizer, which you can set to music by default, podcast mode, movie, or custom. You have a stay aware mode, which is essentially just going to amplify surrounding sound so you can see what's going on. You have your button settings where you can choose what your buttons do. You can customize them, and that's pretty good actually. A pretty good way to do it. You have Spotify One Tap, which again doesn't seem to be working for some reason. Not sure why. You can use the Tile app to find this device, but I tried pairing it, it didn't seem to work. So some of these things seem a little finicky. It could be just my phone, but just be cautious of that. You also have a user guide section. So you can power it on, it tells you exactly what you can do. Alright. Now, the one thing I will say though is I don't think I'm ever going to use the voice controls, especially while I'm at the gym, because I don't see a use for that. But I might use the Spotify One Tap if I ever can get that working. A lot of these features seem gimmicky, like for example, you can take a photo and you can share your audio, which I don't think anyone's going to do. To share your audio, you gotta have another person with Skullcandy earphones, and I don't think I have many friends who do that. My brother's the only other person I know who has a Skullcandy headphone. Finding with Tile, that seems like actually a good feature, because if you go to the gym, you forget your earphones somewhere, that's perfect. And then you have some basic stuff that reset device, resync earbuds, media call. Now that we've gone over all the features of the earphones, let's talk about whether or not they're worth it. One thing I will say is these things are incredibly light. I honestly really appreciate them being so light and comfortable in my ears that sometimes I don't even really feel like I'm wearing headphones. Just to put this in perspective, these right here were my workout earphones for the past few months before I purchased my Skullcandies. And these things were a pain in the butt. They would fall out my ears constantly every time I do a crunch, a push-up, bench press, you name it, and running with these things was a nightmare. Obviously better than nothing, but these things were terrible. Now compare that to the Skullcandy earphones. These things are a world of difference. They're light, they're comfortable, they seal my ear perfectly, I can hear everything I want. Yes, there are no touch controls, there's no active noise cancellation, but honestly, for this price range and the quality you're getting, these things seem very, very good. I personally would highly recommend these. In fact, I bought these for a Christmas present for my brother, and these things are a really, really good budget set of earphones. One thing that I will mention though, for the holidays, these things went down almost 40% off considering they're a new pair of earphones. That's insane. The only downsides to these headphones are there's no touch controls and no active noise cancellation, and the little silicone thing sucks in the back. But this thing you don't really need for anything functional, it just covers your USB-C port. The touch controls would be nice to have, but you can customize the buttons the way you want, which is not bad. They feature some nice technology such as tile finding technology, so if you ever lose them, you know where they are. So I really have nothing bad to say about these headphones. The three complaints I have are nice to haves that are definitely not a must have, especially in the budget category. So I personally think that if you're gonna get these, wait for them to go on sale, because they are going to be an insanely good deal on sale, but they're still a good deal at regular price. So those are my thoughts about these particular earphones. That being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe, bell notifications turned on so you guys see the latest videos right when they're released. If you didn't enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a comment. Tell me why you didn't enjoy this video. What information did I leave out that you were looking for, so that way next time I do a product review, I make sure to include it. If you guys want to see more videos by me, make sure you guys check out my gaming channel, youtube.com/KyleUnleashed, where I post videos about all the games I play, including FIFA, Fortnite, Valorant, and I even have a Minecraft video. So definitely worth a check. That being said, if you guys want to see me play video games live, twitch.tv/KyleUnleashed is where you guys will find me every Sunday evening from around 4 p.m. Central Time, and you guys can feel free to ask me any questions about any games, tech, anything else really. However, if you want to get a hold of me more urgently, or just want to join an awesome community full of wonderful individuals, I recommend you check out the Unleashed Army Discord server. We have a growing community, and I think it's a great place for anyone who wants to make new friends, play video games, or needs help with any tech issues or any other issues in general. We have a large community, so it's always a great time. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys take care.